Thank you, thank you. This is a prayer for all who have lost their lives and who has been displaced. Be it in Eritrea, certainly in Ethiopia, in Tigray, in Oromia region, in Amhara region, in Benishangul region, in Somali region, and all other regions. So we say, may your soul rest in peace. ስለ ንጹሃን ደም ዝም አንልም፣ ስለ ሀገራችን ዝም አንልም። The biggest victim of all of this conflict is really, yes, the people, but it is Ethiopia itself. And I am sure that has overspilled to Eritrea as well. So we mourn for Ethiopia and any other people in the neighboring countries who have been affected and impacted. Once I say that, I'd like to declare official, this rally is about peace. This rally is about stability. This rally is about unity. This rally is about friendship. Come rain or shine or wind, we will still be here shouting for peace and stability in the Horn of Africa. Ethiopia shall continue. Ethiopia shall continue. Eritrea shall continue. Eritrea shall continue. Ethiopia prevails. Eritrea prevails. One people, one people, one nation, one Ethiopia. One people, one nation, one Eritrea. Ummata tokko, biyya tokko, biyya Ethiopia, biyya Ethiopia. Ummata tokko, biyya tokko, biyya Eritrea. Hanti hisbi, hanti hagari, hanti Eritrea, hanti Eritrea, hanti Ethiopia, hanti Ethiopia. By the way, make no mistake, the conflict in Tigray of Ethiopia was orchestrated and prepared and planned and started by the TPLF, as someone said, by the kamikaze TPLF oligarchs who have got the region to this stage. And we heard that TPLF supporters not long ago made a rally in Trafalgar Square in London. I certainly hope they told their previous leaders that this act has costed the whole of the Horn of Africa, and they keep them and make them accountable for their action. Western media had come back to the West, especially the United States of America.
And the West as well.
Yeah, the Western media. Yeah, and cheerleaders of the TPLF. No matter hard that you try, but you cannot wash the blood off the shirt of the TPLF for crimes committed against the people of Ethiopia and Eritrea, sending teenagers and daughters of Tigray farmers, while the son and the daughters of the leaders of the TPLF are leading a lavish life in London, New York, DC, and Europe. Shame on you!
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 different message to different people, different organizations. The message are for our people back home.
Salamat everybody.
Sorry. Can you hear me? Count 1, 2. Yeah, keep it on, keep it on. 1, 2, 1, 2. I think this is better. Right. So we've got different messages, right, to our people here and back home. We've got a different message for Western leaders. We've got different message to extremists. And we've got a message for ourselves. What do we do to stand up and be counted on this? So, what, for the extremists, I would say, stop the ethnic cleansing that's happening in Ethiopia. Stop the ethnic cleansing in Ethiopia. Next to the COVID-19 pandemic, there is a pandemic of ethnic cleansing that's going in Ethiopia, specifically in the region of Oromia. This is not the doing of the Oromo people. We know this is the working of extremist criminals who have taken mission, especially from the TPLF, and to create chaos and destabilizations in Ethiopia and beyond. So we say to them, stop. This is just like saying a Welsh man out of England or a Scottish man out of Wales. Can you imagine that in this country? Well, certainly won't happen in this country, but it is tantamount to that. We have got a message to the Ethiopian government. First and foremost, the primary duty of any government is to keep safe its people from any extremist powers and guarantee their life for one reason or another. Because the Ethiopian government, it is not because it hasn't tried, but for various reasons, like I said, people have died when they needed protection. For that, ask the government of Ethiopia again to discharge its duties of looking after its own people. To take back people who have been displaced into their regions and to keep the region safe. To the Ethiopians at home, as you know, there is a national election about to happen in Ethiopia.